it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing a lot of people like bored in the house because we're in the house bored. Just kidding. But yeah, a lot of people have been tie-dyeing and bleaching their outfits, so I want to try it too because it looks pretty dang fun, and I haven't tie-dyed since I was a child, so I am confused on how to do it. But I watched some videos, I did, but let's go ahead and just test it together. But guys, I got this whole tie-dye kit on Amazon. So it comes with many different colors. There's 18 bottles, so pretty much has everything that you need in here. So yeah, I don't know what color I want to do. I think I want to do like a pink brown color, like a me color. I also got a really big white hoodie because I want to wear it, you know, as a oversized hoodie, because that's the thing. All right, let's open up this kit. Got rubber bands, got the colors, got the manual. I think these are gloves. Ooh, definitely gonna take out one of these. Wait, this is a whole table cover. Wait, oh, this is definitely a party size. Maybe I could just cut it. So I have scissors, and I'm probably just gonna, yeah, cut it. So I don't need the whole thing to myself right now. I'm not having a party. I wish I was having a party. That should be good so we don't make a mess. All right, so what colors are there? I probably should get gloves on too. Oh my god, these are pretty cheap looking gloves, but what can you expect? So let's see. I like the coral color. What the? It doesn't even say the color on it. So you're just guessing? Well, I'm guessing this is coral because that looks like coral, right? I want like a brown. But there's no brown. Orange, and then there's black. Orange and black makes brown, right? Hey, Jimmy, can I get another water bottle? How many ounces do you think this is? We're gonna try to mix this together in a water bottle and we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna split these two into a water bottle and then I'll pour it together. Should I do that? So I don't know about this or not, but I wasn't sure if you can put water in here and then you have to use it at once, or can you save it for another time, saving it, because I don't want to waste it. Black, I'm gonna put some in here. Looks like a brown, right? Wow, that's dark. Can you put water in here too? Look how dark that color is, guys. I want mine to be kind of like a pastel color. Should I have not done that? Or should I leave it on less? Let's go ahead and try, okay? Because I don't want a dark color. I want it kind of like a pastel color. Oh my god, I should have really read on this. We're gonna mess up. I just know it. I have a feeling. Look at the crunch on these gloves, guys. Gee. Okay, so this is supposed to be brown, but it looks like black. I think I put too much black. We're gonna take our sweater and then we're just gonna fold it. How did they do this? How did they fold it? Let's look this up. Let's watch a video. Quick intermission, we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I think I know exactly what I'm gonna do now. I say that all the time, and I still don't. So let's go ahead and just try it. Why am I wearing my gloves already? Too much noise. So we're gonna crinkle it together. Okay, some people wet their things before. Are we wetting this? Wow, this is a big sweater, right? It's crinkled. It's crinkled. Oh my god, these elastics are tiny. Oh no. These elastics are tiny. How is it gonna wrap around this whole thing? Oh no. This kit, the rubber bands that I came with are pretty small. I think it was more like for t-shirts or like little kids clothes. I bought an extra large men's sweater. This is not a kid's clothing, guys. I think that looks crinkly enough. Does that look crinkly enough? Make sure that it goes over. All right, I think it's crinkled, right? We're gonna go with the coral first. Oh shoot, I forgot it leaks. It's bloody! Oh no. It's too late, it's already on here. Why isn't it like attaching to the shirt? Like how other people's were. Oh no. Oh no. You're not even coral! Oh my gosh. fun. Fun. How is this a kid's thing? I'm stressed. This is not a coral. What kind of coral is this? It looks red. Guys, we're committed. We're just gonna continue. That side, I'm gonna flip it over and do this side now. It was a big sweater. I mean, it's kind of cool. What if I mix it with that brown color and then it turns out looking like poop? We ran out. Okay, on to the next color. It's not brown at all. All right, let's hope this one turns out brown, but it looks black. Oh my god, it is black. It's black. It looks black. Oh gosh. It's gonna come out looking like Halloween. Oh no, what do I do? Can I put more orange? No, that'll be too pigmented. Oh god. Okay, whatever. I messed up. I messed up real bad. Lesson learned. We know now. Don't listen to Jenny. It looks like Halloween. This is not supposed to be. See? I think it would look okay if the coral actually came out to be coral. I feel like I just want to wash it out. Can I just wash it out? We're gonna try it. We're gonna get pink. We're gonna try to put it on there. Gotta try to save it somehow. What the? This is pink? I am confusion. Let's try it. They say it's pink. Oh, it is a pink. Yeah. I'm mad that I didn't start with this color. Better luck next time, Jenny, I guess. We're done. We're done. We're moving on. So we have this one. Not the vibe that I was going for at all. I think I'm gonna wash this off right now. I need to see what it looks like. I have to. What the? How do I save this? Boom! This is what it looks like after being washed and dried. It wasn't the color that I wanted it to be. It's definitely supposed to be more like a pink tan color, but it's not that bad. I'm just gonna wear it for the rest of the video. Whatever, it's fine. We're gonna try again. We're gonna have to try again, okay? So we have some of the black orange dye thing left, and it turned out too black. That's why it's like a purpley gray color. So this is the black one. We're gonna try to make brown. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I'm just literally just tapping color red and yellow into the black. I'm scared it's gonna spill on me. Like the smart person that I am, I'm gonna get a rag and test out the color first. It's definitely a brown, but it's a very dark brown. Will it fade? Like a super dark brown. I poured some out and I poured more water in. Looks like poop.
Yeah. You can come hang out if you want.
Yeah, we're just being scientists today. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some... Get out!
Ew, that looks like blood. Like dried up blood.
Should be a light tan. Oh, it doesn't look tan. It looks like
spotting when you're about to hair. Yep. TMI, dude.
Alright guys, so I finally mixed my concoction that I wanted. So hopefully this turns out better than the one that I'm currently wearing. We're gonna try again. This time with my Coachella sweater. RIP Coachella for this year. Unless it's coming back. I don't think it's coming back. Is it coming back? It's coming back this year?
October.
Wow! Well, that's gonna be cool because it's cooler outside.
Can't wear Coachella cute fits.
Don't get cold. They said to scrunch the sleeves up. There's no pattern to tie-dye usually, right? You just do whatever you want. Okay, this is what I did last time and I messed up. The color is looking nice, kinda the way that I want it to be. guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let that sit and we will be back to check it out to see the end results. So that's what it's looking like. I opened it up because I wanted to see. I was really eager, but it's looking really nice. Look at all the pretty colors. It wasn't the color that I wanted, but it actually looks pretty cool, and the camera's not picking up the color too well, but can't wait to see what it looks like after the wash. And we're back! Look at it! It's nice and washed and dry. This one looks so much better than the last one. I wished it was a little darker, but it actually looks pretty dang cute. This was kind of a fail, I have to admit, it was, but at least it came out looking decent. I mean, it's trial and error, right? So it is what it is. We'll live with it. We'll try again next time. I have a whole kit, so sooner or later, you're probably gonna see another DIY tie-dye something, because it's actually pretty fun. I just need to get the, the science down on it. Alright guys, well, if you guys haven't checked out my last videos, make sure you do. I'll see you guys in my next video. Be on the lookout for more content. It's coming your way. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!